Have you thought about taking your curiosity further? Have you found yourself thinking about graduate school but not sure where to start? Have you wondered if it's the right path for you? The Emerging Scholars in Communication program, hosted by the University of Washington Communication Department, is here to guide you. This program was created for undergraduates who are curious and passionate about research, graduate study, and the future of communication. This program provides in-depth knowledge about how to apply to graduate programs, how to be a successful and thriving graduate student, and what career opportunities are available to communication PhDs. Through this program, you'll connect directly with communication faculty and graduate students from the University of Washington who have been where you are. You'll hear honest stories, ask real questions, and gain valuable tools to confidently take that next step. Emerging Scholars helps students see themselves in graduate school, building confidence that your questions and experiences belong in academic spaces. This is your opportunity to prepare, to grow, and to imagine your future. There is a place for your questions. There is a place for your research. There is a place for you. Scan the QR code and check out the Emerging Scholars program today.